It is 8:40 basically p.m. I'm watching this movie as homework, and then I've got an English assignment due by midnight, and I've got 2 quizzes for this class due by midnight. So I'm a procrastinator, but I just thought this was a cool moment to catch being a film student, and you know, one of my first homeworks, the beginning of my second month in class, back in class, is just to watch a movie alone. So yeah, I need to focus. Goodbye. Damn it. Alright. There are people in Rave attire. Let's see. So it's only until 6 p.m. It's free parking now, I think. So let's do a little tour of the block. Some graffiti. A little broke ass window. Camera on camera. This abandoned ass place. Creepy. Yeah, definitely rave attire. Let me just double check this sign here. It says until 6 p.m. Yeah. So basically, there's some graffiti up here. Yoooo, familiar name. This is a cool big ass building. So basically, this place is creepy and abandoned as fuck.